Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Glow Collaborative subscription. This is a monthly subscription, but you do have the option to skip if you do not want to receive a subscription that month. I always like to share my orders with you guys because I really do love the products. I have been using them for quite a while now, and I'm also giving away some of the products on my channel. I will link that video in the cards for you guys because you still have time to enter the giveaway. I will be giving away some Glow Collaborative products, and I'm going to be adding some more products to the giveaway. So like I said, you have up until the 30th to enter the giveaway. So without further ado, let's jump on into the video. To start off with my Glow Collaborative, I did open it up, so but I am going to share with you what I have inside. They always package their products so neat. So we're going to start off with the dish soap. This is the Spice Pumpkin fragrance, and I think these are new for the fall. Smells pretty good. So this is the Spice Pumpkin scent. I have never tried that scent before. Like I said, I think these are new for the fall. And then the next dish soap is the Acorn Spice, and let me smell this one. Okay, this one smells pretty good too. And I didn't get too much in this order, guys. I only got like a couple of items. And the very next item is the hand soap to go with this dish soap. And I usually get a pair. I usually get the dish soap and then I get the hand soap. I don't know why I didn't get the hand soap in this scent here, but I'm going to give these a try. I think these are the new scents for the fall. And then the only other item that I did get was the Dr. Bronner's Pure Castor soap. And I have been using this soap for, I'll say, about 3 weeks. I have seen a lot of people do videos on YouTube about this soap, and I've always wanted to try it, and I just never tried it before. I don't know why I never tried it. So I did receive a trial size bottle from my daughter, and it was the peppermint scent, and I really did enjoy that. I did, but I decided to go with, this is considered like the unscented, well, it's not fragrance, it doesn't have any fragrance or anything. So I decided to order a large size of it from Glow Collaborative because they do offer a wide variety of products online. So I saw this online and I decided to order a big size, which the big size with Glow Collaborative is much cheaper than in Walmart or Target. So I went with the unscented, like I said, and I have been enjoying this product so far. I use it all over my body, even my face. I've used it to shave with. It is really, truly a great product. Yeah, guys, so that's all I got from Glow Collab. If you like videos like this, give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and let me know if you guys have used this soap before, and if you really do like it. I will leave my description link in the description box if you want to, my referral link, if you want to try out Glow Collaborative products. They are awesome products. Like I said, I've been using them for a very long time. Yeah, guys, like I said, give the video a thumbs up, comment, share, but most of all, please subscribe. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube family. And as always, please stay blessed. Bye, guys.